Happy day, students. Today I am going to teach you 10th standard English grammar nominalization. In linguistics, nominalization is the use of a word which is not a noun as a noun or as the head of a noun phrase with or without morphological transformation, that is change. The term refers, for instance, to the process of producing a noun from another part of speech by adding a derivational affix. Okay, what do you mean by affix? Affix is nothing but an addition to the base form or stem of a word in order to modify the meaning or create a new word. Now we shall see the definition. The term nominalization refers to the process of producing a noun from another part of speech by adding a derivational affix. Parts of speech already I have learned, so we have already learned about the parts of speech, so it will be easy to learn this nominalization. A grammatical expression is turned into a noun phrase when we nominalize a sentence. Okay, for example, after 1885, trade with Europe grew. So here grew is verb form. Second sentence you see, after 1885, there was a growth in trade with Europe. So grew is present tense or past tense, it is past tense. So when we are changing also, there should be no change in the tense. So we see here, after 1885, there was a growth in trade with Europe. It is growth by adding the suffix th, we have made it a noun. In sentence 2, we have used the word growth, which is the noun form of the verb grow, by adding the suffix th. So it became growth. Nominalization can be done in 3 different ways. There are 3 methods. So first method is we can add suffixes. Suffix means that which is added at the end. We can add suffixes like ment, ment, or shun, tion, or sun, sion, ness, ness, ation, or ity, or al to verbs and adjectives. Example, fail is verb form. So by adding the suffix ure, we get failure. Include becomes inclusion in noun form. Intense becomes intensity in noun form. Punish becomes punishment in noun form. Admire becomes admiration in noun form. Further we see some examples. Punish will become punishment by adding ment. Acknowledge will become acknowledgement by adding ment. Encourage will become encouragement. Accomplish becomes accomplishment. Establish becomes establishment. Further, by adding tion to verb, we also get nouns. You see the examples. Inspire plus shun. That is, inspire verb becomes inspiration. Civilize becomes civilization. Protect becomes protection. Define becomes definition. Accuse becomes accusation. Destroy becomes destruction. So we find when verb plus shun is added, you get all these changes. Another one, you see, verb plus sion. So it becomes noun. Supervise plus sion becomes supervision. Transfer plus shun becomes transfusion. Progress plus shun becomes progression. Decide plus shun becomes decision in noun form. Admit becomes admission in noun form. Further you see verb plus ness. When you add ness also along with verb, you get the noun form. Forgive plus ness, forgiveness. Empty plus ness, emptiness. Prompt plus ness, promptness. Busy plus ness, busyness. Then fresh plus ness, freshness. More examples about this. We have learnt how to derive noun forms from verbs and the adjectives. Now let us transform, that is, let us change complete sentences by converting verbs and adjectives into nouns. In this process, we nominalize them without changing the meaning of the given sentences, not only the meaning but also the tense. First sentence, he decided to turn down her request. Turn down means to refuse. So, what will be the answer? Decided is the verb form. How will you change into noun form? He made a decision to turn down her request. Then second sentence, the team members reviewed the matter. It helped them solve the problem. So, reviewed here is verb form. Changing into noun form, you see the answer. The review of the matter by the team members helped them solve the problem. Right? We shall move on to the second way of nominalization. First way we have completed. Moving on to the second way. Some words are turned into nouns without adding any suffix. So first one we saw by adding suffix. But you see the second one, second method, we don't add any suffix. But we can change the verb into noun form. You see the examples. Bleed is verb form. Blood is noun form. Lose, verb form. Loss, noun form. Prove, verb form. Proof, noun form. Sell, verb form. Noun form is sale. Abide, abode. Save, safe. Believe, belief. Bite or bit are noun forms and it becomes bite in noun form. In verb form, speak. In noun form, it is speech. Moving on to the third way. Already we have seen first way and the second way. Now moving on to the third method. Some words do not undergo any change when they are used as nouns. These examples you should note down. Attempt in noun form as well as in verb form, it is the same. They do not undergo any change. Okay, change also. Change, change. Control, control. Desire, desire in both forms. Escape, escape in both forms. Next, cover, cover. See, you should cover your notebooks. Okay, the cover was white in color. So like that. Ride. I ride my bicycle. Then the horse ride was very enjoyable. Pedal, pedal. The cycle, no? Then building, building. Walk, walk. I walk every morning. I go for a walk every morning. Then you see copy, copy. Okay. Cash, cash. Next you see verb plus er. Some more examples for you. So teach plus er becomes teacher. Writer. Lead plus er becomes leader. Bake plus er becomes baker. Dance plus er becomes dancer. Now by adding age, verb plus age becomes noun form, is it? So break plus age, breakage. Link plus age, linkage. Leak plus age, leakage. Store plus age, storage. Post plus age, postage. Further, adjectives can be changed into noun by adding the suffix. Example you can see. Creative plus suffix ity becomes creativity, the noun form. Smart plus suffix ness becomes smartness. That is noun form. Safe plus suffix ty becomes safety, the noun form. Deep plus th becomes depth, the noun form. Wide plus th, width. Next, we can also change nouns into verbs by adding certain suffix. So noun plus fi, it becomes verb form. Okay. Simple plus fy, simplify. Pure plus fy, purify. Beauty plus fy, beautify. Justice plus fy, justify. Glory plus fy, glorify. Further, noun plus izt, the suffix izt can change into verb forms, right? So apology plus izt becomes apologize, apologize in verb form. Pressure plus izt becomes pressurize. Sympathy plus izt becomes sympathize. Victim plus victimize becomes, victim plus eyes becomes victimize. Personal plus eyes, personalize. Now, verb plus al. When we add the suffix al, it converts into noun form. Approve plus al, approval. Arrive plus al, arrival. Propose plus al, proposal. Bury plus al, burial. Deny plus al, denial. So, dear students, hope you have understood the definition and the ways of changing the noun into verb or adjective. You have learnt everything. So, with this, I wind up part 1 of normalization, and we shall meet in the next class. Thank you.